The lost art of sound, reimagining ancient Egyptian engineering. Could it be that the very tools employed to construct the monumental temples of our ancestors have been concealed in plain sight all along? We wonder at ancient marvels like the Pyramids of Giza and the temples of Karnak because of their grandeur, astonishing scale, and precision. Yet the precise techniques used to create these architectural masterpieces remain mysterious. What if, rather than relying solely on brute force and rudimentary tools, the ancient Egyptians harnessed something far more extraordinary, the power of sound and vibrations? An intriguing historical account from an Arab historian, often referred to as the Herodotus of the Arabs, who lived in 947 AD, suggests that the Egyptians possessed an extraordinary ability to manipulate sound to move colossal artifacts. He claimed they utilized a mysterious papyrus and a metal rod to achieve this. This assertion raises compelling questions about the engineering capabilities of ancient civilizations. Did they possess an understanding of acoustics far ahead of their time, well before the advent of modern science? Imagery from ancient Egyptian art, particularly the illustrations of Anubis holding the Was-scepter, adds intriguing weight to this theory. While traditionally viewed as a symbol of power and authority, this wand may have also served a more innovative purpose, acting as a tuning fork, an instrument crafted to channel and amplify sound waves. By emitting specific frequencies, it is entirely plausible that the ancient Egyptians harnessed vibrations strong enough to levitate and maneuver enormous stones with remarkable ease. Modern science has begun to explore sound and vibration in ways that resonate with these ancient theories. Researchers have demonstrated that sound waves can create standing waves capable of lifting small objects, called acoustic levitation. This cutting-edge science raises an intriguing question. If sound can lift small items today, what remarkable feats might ancient civilizations have accomplished with their advanced understanding of acoustics and vibrations? The implications of this hypothesis are profound and far-reaching. If the Egyptians truly harnessed sound as a construction tool, we could be on the brink of rediscovering a lost technology that could surpass our current engineering capabilities. Using sound to manipulate physical materials challenges our perceptions of ancient engineering, and invites us to re-evaluate the ingenuity and resourcefulness of our ancestors. Moreover, this perspective encourages a broader examination of other ancient civilizations. Did the creators of Stonehenge, the Mayans, or the builders of the Moai on Easter Island also employ similar techniques? The potential for a shared knowledge of sound engineering across cultures adds another layer of complexity to our understanding of human history. In conclusion, the idea that ancient Egyptians utilized sound and vibrations to construct their monumental structures is not merely a whimsical notion, but a compelling hypothesis that bridges the chasm between ancient wisdom and modern science. As we endeavor to unravel the mysteries of our past, we may discover that the tools wielded by our ancestors were physical implements and resonant forces capable of shaping the world around them. Are we on the verge of reclaiming this extraordinary lost technology? Only time and further research will unveil the truth.